Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today, I'm making a double fan-folded inclined ice dye. I've washed and dried my shirt, soaked it in a soda ash solution for at least 20 to 30 minutes. I spun it out of my Panda spin dryer and so it's just barely damp. I also have it turned inside out. I'm going to lay my shirt out flat. I'm grabbing one corner of the bottom of my shirt and folding it up to the opposite shoulder, but I'm going to go a little bit past where the shoulder is. So there's a diagonal fold across my shirt. Using a piece of kite string and a washable marker, I'm going to draw an arc onto my shirt. I'm trying to choose an area that's in the middle of the shoulder section. Now I'm going to fan fold this line and tie it up with some kite string. I'm using kite string for this fold instead of sinew because I don't want the white lines in my shirt, I just want to hold the folds in place. Once I have my line fan folded and tied with kite string, I'm going to fan fold the rest of my shirt and continue tying it with kite string. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to incline ice dye this shirt. So I've taken a plastic tub, put a piece of vinyl guttering down in the tub. One end is in the tub, the other end is hanging over the edge of the tub, and I've put my shirt down inside of the guttering. My shirt is probably at about a 45-degree incline. I'm beginning at the top where I put my initial fan folds, and I'm adding some Bordeaux from Pro Chemical and Dye. I'm leaving a little bit of space on the shirt, adding another line, and I'm ultimately going to add 4 lines of the Bordeaux. The second color that I'm going to use is New Black from Dharma Trading Company. I'm going to put that on either side of the Bordeaux. Then in the space left, I'm going to add Gunmetal Gray from Custom Colors. I'm going to add an additional sprinkle of soda ash over the top of my shirt. Then I'm going to add the ice and set it aside. I came back after the layer of ice had melted on our shirt, and there was still some undissolved dye sitting on top. So I added another layer of ice and continued to let it process. It processed for 24 to 36 hours, then I washed it and dried it, and this is what our shirt looks like. I really like this one. I just got the Bordeaux in a couple of weeks ago, and I've only used it for liquid dyeing. This is my first time using it for ice dyeing, and I really like this color. If you guys are enjoying watching these videos, I sure would appreciate it if you would hit the big red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.